Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So the purpose of these videos is to help people to eat differently. And although some of the options are not necessarily the healthiest, some of the options are um, showing you a different way to do things. So that is my purpose. Um, to be as helpful as I can to help some people transition to a different way of eating if that's what you so choose to do. If you don't, continue to do what you do, and that's fine too. But here are the Impossible sausage. If you ever had the Impossible sauce breakfast sandwich at Starbucks, this is the product that they use. So I just wanted to show you that. And I'm also making it with a little bit of broccoli on the side. I'm going to actually cut it up because they're too big. But just wanted to show you that and hope it was helpful.